follow along as I actually show you guys how to invest in crypto. I'll take you through my investing apps, show you guys how to buy and sell crypto, as well as a ton of other things. So yeah, just a little bit of background. My name is Charlie. I've been investing in crypto for just about 8 years now. I've made a lot of money by investing in crypto. So I think it's something that you should invest in, especially if you believe in crypto. Just like with all investing, there are some risks, especially crypto. It's more volatile than investing in stocks, but I've made money in both. I think this is an alternative investment that's becoming very, very mainstream. And it's definitely a big bet I'm making into growing my net worth. And I think a lot of you watching this video are also thinking, how can I actually make money with crypto? What should I actually buy? And how do I actually trade in a safe but reliable way? So yeah, I'm gonna cover everything that I know in this video. So let's get started. All right, so what is cryptocurrency? Cryptocurrency is basically a digital form of currency. It's currency that's on a blockchain. And you might not know what blockchain is, but we will talk about that in this video. So essentially, you can think of it as like a decentralized, secure, and borderless currency. It's not really subject to what the government says. You can send money from country to country. It's completely decentralized, like I said. And why is it actually valuable? Well, one is there are low fees, right? It depends on the cryptocurrency. It can have very fast transactions. And then most cryptocurrencies, there is some type of limited supply. So for example, with Bitcoin, there's 21 million Bitcoin maximum in the world ever. So you can sort of think of it like a limited resource. Now, just a little bit of brief history. So Bitcoin was launched in either 2008 or 2009, and that was the first decentralized currency. In 2015, that's when we saw Ethereum. This is the second largest cryptocurrency coin project, and this introduced smart contracts, which gave crypto even more use case. And then in the 2020s, right, we've seen a huge boom in DeFi. So this stands for decentralized finance. It's basically a system of financial services that use blockchain technology. We have NFTs, which you've seen. There's Pudgy Penguin, Bored Apes, a lot of these new NFT projects. And we've also seen tons and tons of institutional adoption over the last few years. I personally am quite bullish on crypto. That's why I invest a good amount of money into it. But don't invest just because other people are investing. Invest because you also believe it yourself. So I do encourage you guys, watch this video, do your own due diligence, and make your own investing decisions. So the major cryptocurrencies right now, it's going to be Bitcoin, so BTC. This is basically digital gold. It's like a store of value. And while you can buy things with Bitcoin, most people just use it as like a digital gold or store of value. Ethereum is the second biggest crypto, ETH. With it, we have smart contracts, DeFi, NFTs, Ethereum 2.0. These are all possible because of Ethereum. A majority of my personal holdings are in Bitcoin and Ethereum. I believe in these two projects the most. And I think that's the case with a lot of crypto investors. There's also stable coins. So this could be things like USDT, USDC. These are usually pegged to something and there's less volatility. And it's usually like an intermediary, right? You're not investing in stable coins. You simply have stable coins so that you can actually move money from platform to platform or whatever it is. Then you have altcoins. So these are going to be things that are smaller projects. For example, Solana, Avalanche, all of these are smaller. They are still somewhat well known. But then moving on from that, we have meme coins and very speculative coins such as Doge, Shiba Inu, things like that. These are much higher risk. They're more community driven. And yeah, the price can definitely go up, can go down. It can make you a lot of money. It can make you lose a lot of money as well. So every how to invest in crypto video should definitely talk a lot about Bitcoin because this was the first and still is the largest cryptocurrency. This is the one that most of you guys are probably going to invest in. And so it is definitely important for you to